Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Big I Legislative Conference.
The goals for this conference actually is to make sure that our folks are prepared to hit the hill. 1,000 of us up here approximately, and we hope to have close to 400 meetings and really hit the hill with our messages.
The uncertainty that small businesses are facing is staggering. And they don't know what the tax code's going to be. Obamacare is being implemented year by year. Those are the kinds of conversations we're having today on Capitol Hill with the decision makers.
There is no better pro-growth program in America than to reinvigorate the small businesses of America.
But the single biggest detriment to all the businesses that you insure is if we in Washington don't remove some of the uncertainty around our economy.
It is my pleasure today to present the Woodworth Memorial Award, the highest honor the Big I bestows on one of its members.
I thank you all. I think it was probably my father who taught me that if you try to do the right things for the right reasons, that oftentimes you receive more than you could ever give, and this is certainly one of those times. So thank you very, very much.
This is a brand new Lifetime Achievement Award for a lifetime of service and dedication to the independent agency system. Please join me for honoring and recognizing Mr. Jeff Yates.
Everything I've done, it's working with a lot of people and trying to facilitate. And I think all the staff would tell you here, the reason they're here is because of the agents.
The Big I strives to continue to create a level playing field for our agents because we know that when we compete and have an opportunity to compete, we win.
You have to learn now faster than ever before and then adapt.
Obamacare. The bad stuff hasn't even hit yet.
Government can't get to know people. You guys know your customers. You know better what they need.
Insurance is at the forefront of the deals that are going to be made. That's why I think for the Big I for you got to be players in this game.
It's an excellent education experience where we can further our own understanding of the industry, how the legislative process is working, how it's working for us.
We know how to host events. This was our first effort with an extremely large insurance claim. We lost the roof, and it was like losing a friend. Our Trusted Choice insurance agents performed spectacularly. They were on site immediately. Having this building up and operating is a tribute to their leadership and teamwork. Minnesota's Rec Room is back in business again.
To find a Trusted Choice agent near you, visit trustedchoice.com.
Is your agency ready for digital marketing but looking for a simple solution? You don't have to be the expert. Introducing Agents Go Digital in partnership with Project CAP. IIAG's team of internet marketing and social media professionals are ready to launch your agency into the fast-paced world of digital marketing. From social media posts and blogs to website creation, we'll customize an online presence to make your agency current and relevant in today's marketplace. We'll build and manage your social media program while you concentrate on what's most important, growing your agency business. We'll get you started on Google Places, Facebook, and your own YouTube video channel, connecting you with clients, carriers, and potential customers. Agents Go Digital provides contest management, quote requests, and more. We'll monitor your agency's profile with Google Alerts. Need a promotional video for your agency? No problem. We'll get you started with a custom YouTube video. Additional services include Twitter accounts and a company page on the professional network LinkedIn. Want custom content and informative articles created just for your clients? Agents Go Digital also offers blog creation and writing services. We'll provide your agency with a blog tailored to your specifications with original content and customized posts. Your potential clients are online every day. Will they find your agency? or your competitors. Our website design and management services will set you up with a website that's mobile ready and search engine optimized. Your Agents Go Digital account representative will take the time to get to know you and your agency individually. You can be confident that you are in the best hands with Agents Go Digital. So, are you ready to get started? Visit agentsgodigital.com and sign up today.
Well, Maine is, they say it's the way life should be. Probably a slower pace of life than a lot of people are used to, and things are a little more relaxed here. Great place for our daughter Sarah to grow up. We like the quality and the pace of life. The ocean is beautiful. I don't think I could live anywhere where I couldn't get to the ocean in a short drive. I'm an amateur woodworker. Woodworking is just a good outlet for relaxation. Good sense of accomplishment when you finish something, and I like making functional things, so furniture and things that we could use. Came in pretty handy, in replacing some of the things that we lost in the fire. We lost some handmade quilts that my wife Jane had made. A lot of those were destroyed in the fire. Well, we had just started a 2-week vacation. We woke up to the phone ringing at about 5:45 in the morning. They said, this is Cumberland Fire Department. There's a house fire. Flames are coming out both ends of the house, and that we should probably come home if we could and deal with it. Our Trusted Choice insurance agent was awesome. She was here on the front lawn with a copy of our policy in hand before the last fire truck left. She had the adjuster here the same afternoon within 3 or 4 hours. Going through our personal possessions and tossing them into a dumpster was probably the hardest part. Our Trusted Choice insurance agent was there the whole time for every question that we had. It really seemed like they were there to help us. When you call, they know who you are. You're a person, not a policy number that pays a premium once or twice a year. Feels good to keep your business local. In 9 weeks, we went from disaster to being in what was essentially a brand new home. I'm Don Lockhart from Cumberland, Maine, and I use a Trusted Choice independent insurance agent.
This is Acme Insurance. They're just one agency that could be anywhere in America, but they represent all the member agencies of the IIABA. Meet Nate, Kim, Kate, and Jim. They represent 100% of the personal lines consumers that Acme Insurance would like to attract as new clients, and all of them are looking into auto insurance. Nate represents roughly a quarter of today's auto insurance shoppers. He might check the yellow pages when looking for new coverage, but he's most likely to ask friends or family. He reached out to Acme Insurance on the recommendation of his parents. And now that he's a client, he not only has the best coverage and service, but some of the best tools too. Acme has set Nate up with the new Trusted Choice mobile app for his smartphone. It's perfect for keeping track of his personal inventory, contacting his Acme agent, even reporting an accident right from the scene. While Nate found Acme through personal referral, these days almost 75% of auto insurance shoppers are likely to begin their search for coverage online. Like many consumers, Kim goes straight to an online search. She enters keywords in a Google, Bing, or other search engine window, and her results present multiple listings for Acme Insurance. Clicking one takes her to Acme's newly enhanced website. Realizing all this agency has to offer her, Kim contacts them through their Click to Chat feature and soon becomes a new client of Acme Insurance. No one can deny the powerful role that social media plays in our lives today. That's why the first place Kate looks when she needs insurance is her own Facebook page. Asking her friends and searching for companies quickly leads her to the Acme Facebook page. Reviews and fan comments provide real credibility and help move the Acme team to the top of her list. and online client reference puts her over the top. And now Kate is an Acme client too. Based on the buzz he's heard about a different kind of website, Jim heads straight to thenewtrustedchoice.com. Unlike most other sites, thenewtrustedchoice.com not only allows him to compare coverage from multiple insurance companies, but connects him with a local independent agent who can help him find the right coverage at the right price. He requests a quote, receives results, and reviews the profiles of agencies in his neighborhood who provide coverage from the company he prefers. The enhanced profile of Acme Insurance convinces Jim they're a perfect choice, so he clicks the button and schedules an appointment. Nate, Kim, Kate, and Jim. 4 very different people representing 100% of today's auto insurance consumers, but all of them found or are served by Acme through today's technology. And all of these online programs are now available through Project CAP. Created through a partnership of the IIABA, Trusted Choice, and key investor carriers, Project CAP is a powerful industry initiative with a vision to recapture personal lines insurance for the independent agency channel. To achieve this goal, Project CAP has designed and developed 2 incredible integrated resources: an enhanced consumer website, thenewtrustedchoice.com, and an industry services website at projectcapmarketing.com. Here you'll find all the digital marketing tools, training, content, and services every independent agency needs to attract and relate to today's online consumer. But Project CAP does more than just connect us to our consumers. It connects us to each other. It connects us to a cause. The independent agency channel is losing a little more of the personal lines insurance market every year. And every percentage point now equals nearly $2.5 billion in annual net premium, or more than $250 million in agency commissions. That's our point, and that's our cause. Join the cause to recapture personal lines by joining all the other agencies and carriers who've already joined Project CAP. Together, we can regain dominance for the independent agency channel. This is our market, and this is our time.
I pledge to be there for you when disaster strikes, to guide you through your claim,
to offer personalized coverage from a choice of insurance companies,
to explain your policy and treat you with respect.
That's the Trusted Choice Pledge. We put it in writing.
Home, auto, business, life.
We are Trusted Choice, independent insurance agents in your hometown.
To find a Trusted Choice agent near you, visit trustedchoice.com.
Hello, I'm Andrew McElhennon, Member Services Coordinator for the Independent Insurance Agents of Georgia. Did you know that your 2012 and 13 membership includes 3 hours of free continuing education for every employee in your agency? That's right, I said free CE for everyone on your staff. It's just one of many new member benefits for belonging to one of the best insurance trade organizations in the world. And today, I'm going to show you how to begin taking advantage of your free CE, valued at more than $45 per person for every member on your staff, an exclusive value you won't get anywhere else. You can start earning free CE today through our heralded Wednesday webinar series presented by the Ted Carlton Education Foundation. We've archived some 40 webinars and topics, everything from understanding the language on the latest updated ISO policy forms to wild claims and unexpected exclusions, and much more. There are even webinars for ethics credits like E&O case studies, a real-life view from Georgia courts. As you can see, there's a wealth of knowledge to be had, 1 hour at a time, and it's free. Now, here's how to get started. Use your favorite web browser to locate our website at iiag.org. Next, use your member-issued login credentials to log into the website. This will consist of a unique email user ID and a 6 or 7-digit password. If you're not sure what yours is, just give us a call at IIAG. We'll be glad to help you. Click on the word login and you're good to go. Next, go to the Education tab and hover over the word to get a drop-down menu and select the link for webinars. You can find our archived webinar catalog by going over to the right-hand side of the screen and clicking on the big red button that says Archived Webinars here. Scroll down the page to find the title you want and click on the blue link to view the webinar description. Once you're sure, simply click on the register button to purchase your free webinar. Since you've already logged into our website, the registration form should be mostly completed for you. But be sure to include your insurance license number in the appropriate field so we can credit your CE directly to you at the conclusion of the webinar. Then, click the checkbox at the bottom of the page and the Add to Cart button. On the next screen, you should see there will be a zero cost to you for the webinar. If not, it means the pool of webinar credits for your agency has already been exhausted and you'll need to pay the published price. Next, click the Checkout button. After you see the confirmation screen, check your email inbox. In a few moments more, you'll receive an email from our education registrar. Open the email and click on the link to open the archived webinar portal. Enter your email once more and that's it. Your webinar video will begin playing, and in 1 hour you'll have earned an hour credit of CE. It's that simple. Each IIAG member agency has a pool of webinar credits, 3 for each employee at the agency, and you can use the total of them however you choose. One person can use them all, or you can divide them up however you like. And of course, IIAG will continue to produce great webinars for CE with interesting and timely content, and you can keep growing in your insurance career as an independent insurance agent while remaining in compliance with your state licensure requirements. Free continuing education credits for IIAG members. Just one more reason you belong to IIAG.
The Hubert H. Humphrey Metrodome opened in 1982. It has become Minnesota's rec room. And you come with your friends, you come with your family, you come with people you care about. Metrodome is the place you come for events all the way from Monster Truck Jam to football, amateur sports, cultural events. And you take those memories and they last a lifetime. We provide the venue in which those things can take place. The roof is Teflon-coated fiberglass. It's approximately 10 acres. Once it was inflated and opened in 1982, it became this kind of iconic permanent part of the Minneapolis skyline. The roof had withstood tremendous pressures before. This was the perfect storm. A confluence of incredibly high winds and heavy snow load made it dangerous to go up there and then cause the rupture. Our security cameras captured it all. When you see that large a facility collapse and the amount of snow and ice that descended on the floor of the Metrodome, it had a very strong impact. It was like losing a friend. Our Trusted Choice insurance agents perform spectacularly. These are people we know, we've worked with before, we have consummate trust in their professional capacities and abilities, and they were on site immediately. Our Trusted Choice insurance agents provided the leadership along with our own internal team. We know how to host events, we know how to have thousands of people in here having a great time. This was our first effort with an extremely large insurance claim. And we needed the help and leadership and teamwork that they provided that made this happen. Minnesota's Rec Room is back in business again. I'm Bill Lester with the Metrodome, and we use Trusted Choice independent insurance agents.